before you spend your hard-earned money on ViraFlexx Pro, also seen under names like ViraFlexx Max or ViraFlexx Pro. Let's take a deeper dive into whether this male performance supplement is worth it or just another overhyped product. The company markets it as a natural solution for boosting male vitality and stamina, with 60 capsules per bottle meant to last a full month. At first glance, it looks promising. The ingredients are transparently listed along with their exact dosages, and the formula is gluten-free, which is definitely a plus for those with dietary restrictions. But does it actually deliver results, or is this just slick marketing aimed at vulnerable consumers? That's where things get complicated. Some users reported slight improvements in energy and performance, but many others claim they felt absolutely no difference even after consistent use. It doesn't help that there's a serious report floating around about someone experiencing kidney damage and being hospitalized after using it, something that raises a major red flag when evaluating the safety of any supplement. With no FDA approval and limited scientific backing for its claims, ViraFlexx Pro seems to fall into that gray area between hope and hype. Sure, it might work for a few people due to placebo or individual body chemistry, but there's no solid evidence that guarantees consistent, safe results across the board. It's neither a confirmed scam nor a miracle pill. It sits somewhere uncomfortably in the middle. If you're thinking of trying it, be cautious, do your research, and most importantly, consult a healthcare professional before putting anything new into your system.